Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So today let's see what is in store for you today. Again, today is a pick a card. I keep changing in between. I bring pick a card and sometimes I just bring direct reading. So today we will do another pick a card also. So this is card 1 and this is card 2. So take a couple of seconds and try to connect with which card you want the reading for. I hope you all have connected with the divine and you all have understood which is the card for you. So now card 1. A beautiful card, Six of Wands. I feel work wise it's going to be really good. A lot of exploration, a lot of opportunities coming your way. Work wise it's going to be really good, and you will be able to see victory in whatever work you're taking today. And if you're in business, then even in business you will be able to see good clientele or good customers walking in today. Let's just pull another two cards to see for other factors of life. Okay, offerings. I feel today you should do some charity. The card is asking you to do some charity. Maybe today start your day with feeding a stray animal or planting a plant, because here if you see they are watering the plant. So maybe you need to offer something. Maybe you can plant a sapling today, indicating not in your home, somewhere in a common place so that others can benefit from it, or feed a stray animal or give water to some needy, because water is what it is showing that you need to give. So if possible, give water to someone today. I would suggest if you can wear something in white, and in the morning after you finish your before you start your day, basically when you're having a bath, add a little bit of rock salt and a pinch of cinnamon powder in it, and then have a bath with that powder, with that water. And as I said, do some offerings today. No chantings or anything there. Let's see what's the next card. Rebirth. So today you will feel happy, you will feel as if you are reborn, and I feel this is a happy sign. Maybe work wise you will get an achievement which will make you really happy, and even at home things will be the way you want, which will in turn make you very happy. So have a blessed day ahead, because I see a lot of happiness around you. So let's see what is in store for card 2. Lovers card. If you are seeking some help, if you're looking for financial help or some project to get approved or anything in that case, to happen in your favor, seek the help of the opposite sex. Seek the help of a senior person at your home or at work who is of opposite sex. So if you're a female, you should expect this help coming from a male member, because, and if you're a male, then a female member will only help you out. And as far as your love life is concerned, it will be really good. You will be happy today. You will spend some quality time with your better half or with your lover. Even otherwise, I feel things are good. There will be no ups and downs, but there will be good growth today. I see angels blessing you and guarding you, but we will still see with other two cards. Messenger of the earth. I feel look out for messages today. The angel is going to give you a message, because I told you there's an angel who's guarding you today. So you might get some message which will make you happy, that this is what is meant for you. So today what you can do is wear something in light green, and today when you start your day, say, I call upon my guardian angel to be there with me throughout the day and guard me and give me a message, what my guardian angel wants me to know, or what is the message that my guardian angel wants me to give. Look out for it. Maybe you will read some article which you feel was meant for you. Maybe you will hear some good news which you will feel as an indication of your future. So you can do that. So that is one thing you can do. And in the morning, burn a white candle and dedicate that candle to your ancestors and your guardian angel, and say, I dedicate the candle to my ancestors and guardian angel to always bless me, guide me, and always be there by me. So let's see what's another card saying. Beautiful card, Witch of the Water. So you will have a beautiful day. A lot of prosperity, a lot of financial blessings is also there. So overall day is going to be good at home and at work. So you can stay blessed and be rest assured that things will be good and things will be in your favor today. Have a blessed day. Thank you.